Hello, I am Shannon Ballman Theis, the Payroll Queen, and today we are going to be discussing the Wisconsin W-4 equivalent, which is also called the WT-4. This one has an employer section where you fill out the employer's name, federal ID number, payroll address, which is normally where the headquarters is, or the legal address. It should be the same as what appears on the Form 941. City, state, and zip, completed by title, phone number, and email. This is whoever is reviewing the W-4. The employer's instructions for the Department of Revenue. If you do not have a federal tax ID number, contact the IRS and obtain an FEIN. An FEIN is required anytime you have employees because it's the employer identification number. You cannot issue W-2s using the business owner's social security number. If the employee has claimed more than 10 exemptions or has claimed complete exemption from withholding and earns more than $200 a week, or is believed to have claimed more exemptions than they are entitled to, you need to mail a copy of the certificate that you receive from the employee to the Wisconsin Department of Revenue, Audit Bureau, P.O. Box 8906, Madison, Wisconsin 53708, or you can fax it to 608-267-0834. Keep a copy of the certificate with your records. If you have questions about the Department of Revenue requirements, call the Department of Revenue. And the employer instructions for new hire reporting. This report contains the required information for reporting a new hire to Wisconsin. If you are reporting new hires electronically, you do not need to forward a copy of this report to the Department of Workforce Development. You can go to dwd.wi.gov/UINH to report new hires. If you do not report new hires electronically, mail the original form to the Department of Workforce Development New Hire Reporting, P.O. Box 14431, Madison, Wisconsin 53708-0431, or you can fax it to 800-277-8075. If you have questions about new hire requirements, you can call 888-300-HIRE or visit dwd.wi.gov/UINH for more information. And they've actually, if you print the second page, they actually have made it pretty easy to print a page, print the W-4 or the WT-4 along with the address that mails it to, and it will display appropriately in a left window envelope to make it easier. Typically, the fastest way for us to process new hire paperwork is just to fax it to the 800 number. And that is the end of this. So I hope you guys found this useful and helpful. And if you could give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment if you've got any questions on anything that we covered about the Wisconsin WT-4, I would appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.